everything's back together. Scotty's going to get in the car, and we are sans filter in this bowl just because we want to do a little science experimentado. Yeah? You okay, Scotty?
Yeah, I just smashed my bad shoulder.
God, you're a mess.
Yeah, don't get old.
Too late.
You're still in your 30s. I don't want to hear squat.
It's 6 months to 40, bud.
Yeah. Less than 10 months, I'm 55.
I know, Grandpa. Chill out.
Oh, you fucker. Oh, wait a minute. I think that's how I became a grandpa.
Yeah, that's for sure.
One too many times.
And then you did it again a couple more times.
Yep.
What's wrong with you, damn it?
I know, right?
All right, so let's crank this. I just want to see what it's going to do with our little bowl here.
Okay. Are we going for, we want to try and start it?
Give me like 10 seconds. I just want to see what it does to the bowl.
Okay.
See if our filter assembly itself is a restriction or if it's the pump. Fire away. Oh yeah, there was a little fuel in it, sorry. Go ahead and crank. Our bowl isn't doing fuck all, bud. No, it's getting there a little bit. You want to hit it again?
Go ahead.
So, this here fuel pump is a heap of shit. It's not pumping. Let me take the end off here on the inlet side, and I'm going to have you crank it and see if it blows a load or not.
All right. Use the orange, I'm sorry, the red coffee container. This way we don't spit fuel everywhere.
Yes, sir. I know. All right.
That's all I request.
Let me do this.
Yes,
Scotty,
ready?
crank it. Let's see if it pumps. I ain't got dick, but let me put my finger over it and see if it's pushing. Hold on. Go. It's pushing like a motherfucker. I think this thing doesn't have any fuel in it either. Let's go get that 5 gallons we have over in the shop.
Oh my God.
Thinking you
Scotty.
fucking pervert.
Scotty, you gonna stick the wang in the hole? Are you dying of laughter right
You're
now?
2 fucking little kids. I swear to God.
Stick your thing in the hole. Wait.
No, I'm gonna stick your thing in the hole.
Wait. We both did it this time. We're going down. All right, so we put a little fuel in the tank, too. We've also cleaned out all our lines. Scotty, crank. Ah, there we go. The bowl is filling. Look at that. Whoa. We're squirting somewhere. Hold on. We got a squirter. Crank it again. Do it again. Nope, it's right here at the side. I bet you the gasket did. All right. Now we're not leaking anymore. There's fuel in it. Woo! Problem solved. All right, this one's done, Scotty. Nice. All right. Well, let's shut her down and call it a day. Well, it's cold. Let it get up to temp. Let me get the choke back on it, too. There we go. Because we blipped it too early. Let's let her get up to temp and see what she's got. Yeah, when we get around